We don't have anything like this in Washington. They come off of these trees, beautiful trees here, with light variegated bark, which look kind of like maples. But these seeds have the unique property that when you break them, no, this one's not going to do it, they explode. See that? I don't know if you can see it, but they explode. Let me get some better ones. These aren't quite ready yet, I guess. There. And then inside are these seeds. So they kind of blow up. If you crush them, they really blow up. See what's inside of this thing. They're quite incredible. Where the cars have driven over, and there's big, splotches of this fuzzy stuff with the seeds in it. So there you are, the miracle of nature. Pretty cool.